Hi, Frank Rose here with MarineMax Danvers here at the New England Boat Show to show you the beautiful new 2019 245 Sailfish dual console. Now, as you see, this has a beautiful offshore hull, has the nice Carolina flare, deep V variable degree dead rise stepped hull to give you a very smooth, very dry ride. This one here is powered with a 300 Verado supercharged 4-stroke motor, which gives this boat plenty of power. Okay, there's a covered 4-step stainless steel boarding ladder here in the back. You have a fold-out back seat. This has fold-out seats port and starboard. It'll seat 12, 25-gallon live well in the back. Retractable ski pole for doing water sports, tubing, wakeboarding, skiing. Come through, you have another seat here. Then you have a reversible seat here. It seats on both sides that can also become a rear-facing lounger. There are storage underneath all our seats. You have a full-size head, electric vacuum flush that all uses fresh water. This boat does hold fresh water. Index storage here. The dash is fully equipped. You have the Garmin GPS and fish finder, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, VHF radio, digital controls, very nice layout, all your gauges, everything's right at eye view. You have the big pilot seat, captain seat, which swivels, moves up, down, forward, back, in any direction you'd like it. You come up to the bow, we have bow seating. Both the bow seats have insulated boxes underneath each for storage, ice, whatever you'd like to use. You have a table here that would mount in the bow and a bracket here. It can also mount in the rear where all your seating is there. This boat will seat 12. So, this is Frank Rose, MarineMax Danvers. Come down, see one of these beautiful 245 Sailfish dual consoles. Give me a call, 210-630-3041. Thank you very much.